Hello children, myself Anuradha Sinha, your SSC teacher, is present here with a new session of social science. Children, we have already completed our first chapter, the second chapter along with the explanation, exercises, recapitulation, that is revision work also we have done, and now we would be starting our third chapter. Children, your first chapter test has already been taken and I will give you a notice for the test that has to be conducted for the second chapter. So, don't waste your time unnecessarily. Of course, you are having your holidays now. You can say it as a holiday also, this lockdown period. You are having enough time at home. So, along with doing the work what has been given to you by different subject teachers, also do prepare for the test that the teachers are conducting every week. I would give you a notice in the group so that you can start preparing for the test of the second chapter. Now, let us begin the explanation of chapter 3, celebrating our diversity. Now, as the chapter says, this is the heading of the chapter. So, first understand what is the meaning of celebrating. Celebrating means doing something enjoyable. And why you are doing something enjoyable? Because that might have been a special day. When do we celebrate? When we have some special day. Suppose you are having your birthday or your brothers or sisters' birthday is there, or your parents, your mama, papa marriage anniversary is there, or some festivals are there in the house, whether it is Holi, Diwali, Dashara, or some marriage ceremony is being conducted in the house. So these are the various moments, various occasions when we celebrate, when we enjoy. And what is the meaning of diversity? When you have wide variety of something, that is known as diversity. You are having different varieties, different types. I can give you an example of your class. There are different, so many students and they come from different backgrounds, isn't it? And even they follow different religions. Then they all assemble in the class and they all study together. This is what diversity says us, that difference, wide variety in anything. So, in this chapter, we are going to understand what this chapter is saying, how this chapter is celebrating the diversity. The chapter begins with the explanation of DAV school. In the DAV school, I have tried to draw the picture of the school, though I could not make it very beautifully. I have just given a rough sketch so that you all can understand what this is actually trying to say. The DAV school was decorated beautifully because a celebration was going on in that school. They were organizing an inter-house competition or celebration, you can say. The school was decorated with flags and steamers. You can see here steamers. Steamers are actually different colored papers that are and different designs are made on those colored paper, and the school was decorated by those flags, the steamers, different types of flowers were there, and rangoli. Rangoli is the art of making design. So you all are aware of this. This is nothing new to you. because in our school every year we have a Rangoli competition and the students participate in it wholeheartedly with full enthusiasm, and they make different kinds of Rangoli, isn't it? You all have seen this in the school. This is nothing new for you. So the DAV school was decorated in this way. The principal and the head girl, they greet the guest. The principal was there and the head girl. Every school has a head girl and a head boy. The school sees to it that the head girl and the head boy, they manage everything in a very smooth way, in a very efficient way. In our school also we have president and vice president of different houses. We have different houses in our school, isn't it? So they greet the guest. उन्होंने गेस्ट का स्वागत किया. Some students are applying tilak. Some students were given the duty to apply tilak to the chief guest. This is our custom, isn't it? Whenever a guest comes to our house or comes to our house on some occasion, we welcome that guest by applying tilak and even by offering them some bouquet. So the students applied the tilak. The school band was playing a welcome tune in order to welcome the guest. And why all this arrangements was done? All this arrangement was done because the school was organizing an inter-house celebration. Inter-house celebration means the school had many houses. Just like we have 4 houses in our school, isn't it? Ganga house, Brahmaputra house, Narmada house. Do you remember? We have different houses in our school. In the same way, that school, that DAV school also had different houses in their school. I will tell you about those houses when I will move further. And so all this preparation was done for that purpose. Now, what was the theme of that inter-house celebration? The theme was that the students, the different houses had to portray the Indian culture. The Indian culture means, the Indian culture comprises of so many different customs and traditions that is carried out by different states of the country. Diversity of our country is shown in this program, the program which was being conducted at the school. They were showing the diversity, the difference that is found in our country at all levels, at different states. They selected some special occasion that are celebrated in different parts of the country. Now all this, the teachers, the students, as well as the school management, they had selected few occasions so that this occasion could be distributed among the different houses. कुछ occasion decide कर लिए गए थे और उन्हें different houses में divide कर दिया गया था ताकि बच्चे उसको prepare कर सकें. They were divided in different houses and each house was given a particular occasion and they were asked to present it on the stage so that all the students could get aware of the diversity of our country. Now first understand what were the different houses that the school had. The school had Hansraj house, Dayanand house, Vivekanand house, Gandhi house, Sarojini house and Nehru house. And what were the different occasions that were allotted to different houses. Allot means अलग अलग house को कौन सा occasion करने के लिए दिया गया था. Hansraj house was given Ganesh Chaturthi. That means they had to prepare a jhaki on Ganesh Chaturthi. They had to show that how Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated in our country. The Dayanand house, they had to show Navratri, how Navratri is being celebrated and carried out in our country. In the same way, Vivekanand house was given Idul Fitr, Gandhi house was given Onam, Sarojini house was given Navroz, and Nehru house was given marriage celebration. This is not a festival, children. Marriage celebration is also a very important part of the Indian culture. You all might have seen the people enjoy this like a festival in our country. Whenever a marriage is there in the house, the preparation starts from months before, and the people are engaged in different activities like shopping the clothes, ornaments, making arrangement of the hall, preparation of the various food items, and various things that are involved in this marriage celebration. So you have to remember this, that this is not a festival, it is an important part of our Indian culture. So these were the different houses, and these were the different occasion that was allotted to the different house. Children, one more thing. While I am explaining this chapter to you, I have taken this into consideration, that I am going through each and every line of the chapter. Whatever is mentioned there in the chapter, paragraph wise, page wise, I am going through it word by word and line by line. And at the same time, when I end up with this video, I will provide you the meanings of all those difficult words that have come up in my explanation, or while you read the chapter and you go through the pages that I have explained in this, all the hard words, the meanings that are appearing in it, I have given the meaning of it. I will also show you that in the video, and as well as send you that page, so that you can understand the term very nicely. Now come to the next part. The students, they took help from parents, the teachers, and library, as well as internet. Now different occasions were provided to the different groups, and they had to prepare themselves for the presentation that they had to do in that inter-school celebration. So they took help from different people. They took some help from their parents. They even asked help from their teachers. They collected the materials, the topic from the library, and at the same time, internet. Life today is mostly dependent on internet. We all fall back upon it whenever we want to have some information. So, and what help did they get from all these different members? They got the help of posters. They got the help of stage properties. Posters means the posters they had to show during their stage presentation or the jhaki presentation. The stage properties means the different materials that they would require while they would play. While their play would be shown on the stage. जब उनका नाटक स्टेज पे दिखाया जाएगा, तो स्टेज पे जिन सामानों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी उन्हें स्टेज प्रॉपर्टीज़ कहते हैं. The scripts, the dialogues that the different characters would say on the stage, and the costumes, the dress that they would wear while their program is being shown on the stage. So these all the things they got collected for their stage program. And now let's move further. The program was inaugurated. Inaugurated मतलब शुरुआत करना, beginning of anything is known as inauguration. Lighting of the lamp was done by chief guest. The chief guest in our school, this is also something not unknown to you. In our school, always whenever we have programs, whether it is 26th January or 15th August, or if we have some annual day program in our school, recently we had winter carnival program in our school, you all might have seen that the chief guest arrives and he does the lighting of the lamp. Lighting of the lamp is a symbol that the program has begun. The principal delivered the welcome speech. Delivered means to give. The principal gave the welcome speech to the chief guest as well as to all the members who were present for watching that inter-school celebration. The first house which came for the presentation was the Hansraj house. The Hansraj house, which was portraying or which was showing the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi, which is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi. Again, in Hindi you all might have studied Prayavachi Sapt. Ganesh ji is also known as Vinayak. He is also referred as Lambodar, isn't it? So, Ganesh Chaturthi, which is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi. In this presentation, they were showing about Lord Ganesha, the birth of Lord Ganesh, how Lord Ganesh took birth, and why Lord Ganesh is considered as the god of good beginning. Whenever we start a new work, suppose we have made a new house and we are going to inaugurate that house, we do the puja of Lord Ganesh. A new shop has been opened, or a new school has been started, or a new business is going to get launched. So in our customs, our traditions, we follow that for every good work, the beginning of a good work should be done by doing the worship of Lord Ganesh. Why is this being done? This is being done because Lord Ganesh is considered the god of knowledge, the god who provides us wisdom, the god who provides us knowledge, and at the same time, this is the god who provides us success in whatever we do. And at the same time, he is the remover of obstacles. The obstacles, the different difficulties that we face when we do any work. So he removes that. He is considered that Lord Ganesh will remove all the difficulties, all the obstacles that block your way or that stops you from getting successful. And this Ganesh Chaturthi is being celebrated in which month, children? It is being celebrated in the month of either August or September. This festival is mainly celebrated in the state of Maharashtra. There the celebration goes on for 10 days. In other parts of the country, we do celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, but that is merely for one day. But in Maharashtra, it is celebrated for 10 days. In South India also, the celebration is being done in a very auspicious way. So, I am showing you, this is, suppose this is the stage and this is the curtain. The curtain gets removed, पर्दा हटता है स्टेज से. And what the Hansraj house is showing now? The Hansraj house is showing now that the people are buying idols of Ganpati. लोग गणपति की मूर्तियाँ खरीद रहे. Idol means the statue. Ganpati here means Lord Ganesh. And they are worshipping Lord Ganesh with kumkum, with flowers, with sweets, with fruits. And after the celebration goes on, the puja is being done, the worship is being done, the idol or the image is taken out for Visarjan. Visarjan means the idol or the statue is immersed in water. You all might have seen this. And after the puja is being done, the people carry out the idols on vehicles, on autos or on trucks, and then they immerse it in the rivers or ponds which is nearby to their house. Even great freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he made Ganesh Utsav a public celebration. The people enjoyed this so much. So with this I am coming to an end of the explanation till here. In my next video I will come with the continuation of the chapter. Thank you.